Hi, this is Dave with Vector Aerial. Today we're going to talk about some of the comparisons between the new Matrice 300 and the older Matrice 210. Not so much the payloads, the cameras. We'll do another video on the camera capabilities at another time. For right now, I just want to talk about the actual aircraft themselves, the airframes. Obviously, the M300 is bigger, it takes up more space. The propellers on these ones, they fold. They do not quick detach like the M210s, but they do fold. And the propellers on the M300 are sharp compared to the 210. So these ones, when you're handling these bigger ones, just be careful as you're folding them because they are much sharper than the ones on the 210. Quick comparison between the controllers. This is the controller for the M300. It's basically the smart controller that they've been using, and they added on a heavier duty battery pack to it. You can see the screen sizes between the Crystal Sky for the 210 and the smart controller. The Crystal Sky is slightly bigger. There is no provision for mounting a Crystal Sky onto the Matrice controller at this time. A little bit about the battery chargers. This is the standard charger for the M210, obviously not as robust as the charger for the M300. The M300 charger only comes with the M300 if you order the combo pack. So if you're a public safety agency and you order this, make sure you order the combo pack. Otherwise, it does not ship with batteries or the charger. So just order the combo pack with the 300. And then this also has firmware in it that has to be updated when you first get it. It has to be activated. That's not the case, obviously, with something like this. And you update the firmware through the controller from this port. There's a little port in here, and you just update the firmware, and it's good to go. Maximum payload on this one's about 6 pounds, as opposed to about 3.2 on the 210. Wind resistance in this one is about 26 miles per hour, and it's closer to 33 for the M300. This has an IP45 ingress protection rating, and this has the IP43. So this one is a little more robust in the rain than this one is. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you've got questions. Thank you.